In this video, I'll guide you through setting up a FreshBooks, so a cloud-based accounting software designed for freelancers and small businesses. So whether you're new to FreshBooks or looking for a refresher, I'll walk you through the entire setup process step by step. So first, make sure you are on the official website of freshbooks.com and already logged in the Get Started or the Sign Up button, and then choose a plan that suits your business needs or start with a free trial. And then enter your email, business and name and password to create an account. And then once sign up, you'll be taken to your FreshBooks dashboard. Now, on your FreshBooks dashboard, click on the profile. So click this account of yours on the upper right corner and then click this account profile. And in here, you'll be able to see your profile icon that you can change. You can upload your logo or your profile. It's up to you. You can change your first name and last name as well. And then for the preferences, you can set it to your desired time zone. So on with the language and the time format that you want. And that's it. So aside from that, you can enter your business address as well, and then your business name also. And then you can also navigate to the Clients tab and click the New Client and then enter the client details such as their name, email, and address. You can also add notes or default payment terms for each client and then click Save to store the client information. And to configure payment settings, you can go to the settings and then accept online payments and connect a payment processor like Stripe, PayPal, or credit card payments. And this allows your client to pay directly through FreshBooks invoice. And now to set up tax rates, you can also go to settings and then taxes and then add your local tax percentage. For example, VAT, GST, or sales tax, and then this will be automatically applied to your invoices. And then to customize your invoice template, you can click the invoices and then customize invoices. And you can also add your business logo and preferred logo scheme. You can also set up default payment terms, like for example, due in 7 days, and choose whether to enable automatic late fees or reminders. And yeah, that's it. That's all I can share. Also, you can also add your first expense in here and explore additional features like time tracking, projects, or reports. And that's it. You've now successfully set up FreshBooks, from adding clients to customizing invoices and tracking expenses. You're ready to start managing your business finances efficiently. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.